This new manifestation of creation, ang sabi sa atin, if anyone be in Christ, he is a new creation. Behold, old is replaced by new. Now let us focus on that word behold. This newness is something to behold. Do you see the implication? It is something that can be seen. It is something that can be observed. Habang yung Kristiyano mismo, habang siya ay natututo, habang siya ay nalalapit sa Diyos, paliit ng paliit yung tingin niya sa kanyang sarili. Just like the Apostle Paul, when he came to know Jesus Christ, he said that he is not worthy to be as a Christian or an apostle. He's not worthy to become an apostle. Then later on, when he learned some more, bumaba pa yung tingin niya sa kanyang sarili. Hindi ako karapat, dapat nga tawaging disciples of Christ. And then when he was nearing death, mas lalo pang bumaba. I am the worst of sinners. Habang pababa ng pababa, yung kanyang tingin sa kanyang sarili, the people around him will see him more and more change. More and more change. Behold, all things have become new.